Welcome to Simply Jain. This Raksha Bandhan is going to get classy, tasty and chocolatey with churros. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for churros are Maida, Nutella, water, cinnamon, sugar and butter. So first we'll take 200 ml water. Allow it to boil for 2 minutes. Once the water is heated, we are going to add 2 tablespoons powdered sugar. In that, we are going to add 2 tablespoons salted butter. If you are using unsalted butter, just add 1/4 teaspoon salt. I am using Amul butter out here. Start whisking it. Once the butter has melted completely, we are going to add our flour. I am just going to reduce the temperature of my stove. I have taken 3/4 cup of maida. And now just whisk this and switch off your flame now. Whisk it rigorously for 2 minutes and see there is no lumps left. Side by side you all can put your oil for heating. See to it that you all don't completely cool this down. The temperature should be such that you all can work with it for piping. It looks nice and smooth. You all can remove it from the vessel and just knead it for around 2-3 minutes. I'm just doing it in the vessel itself. This is the consistency. It's really very soft. It's like a roti mixture, softer than a roti dough. I have taken 2 piping bags and a nozzle. You all can even use the cloth piping bag which we get. I have taken 2 piping bags because our mixture is thick as well as little hot. One wouldn't sustain, otherwise it would tear. So just take the mixture and put it in the piping bag. Now just start piping it. The length depends on you all how big you all want. Then with the help of a scissor or a knife, just cut it. And do the same thing with the rest of them. After piping them, I have allowed it to rest for 2 minutes. Now we are going to fry them on medium to high flame. Put few at a time, otherwise it will stick. Once the churros are fried, take around 1 tablespoon powdered sugar and half teaspoon cinnamon. Just mix this and we will roll our churros in this. Cinnamon gives a really nice taste. You all can serve with this Nutella, melted chocolate. Our churros are ready. Make this for your siblings and have a sweet Raksha Bandhan with this churros. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.